So I thought I'd do a quick video on Nigel's R53 Mini. Some reason it's not that well known, although people are aware of it. It's got to be one of the top spec minis on the planet, and R53 it just has to be. It's just absolutely mental. Everything about it is just top spec, but I'll go through with you in a minute, like bits and pieces of it. You can come on that journey. We're a little bit busy, a little bit mental. I look a bit tired. The dyno broke a couple of weeks ago, and I'm playing this massive catch-up game in the morning at the moment. It's lots and lots of late nights, so if I look like my eyes are going to close, then please bear with me, and I'll just sneak the 102 race fuel in there. So this is Nigel Marsh's R53. It's quite obviously not a standard R53. It isn't the usual mods, you know. It isn't like a pulley and an intercooler job, as you can see. Engine still 1.6. It's a Brett Sims build. So as you can imagine, it's fairly proper. It's a proper racing engine. No messing about. We've got the GT25 550 turbocharger, JK manifold. That engine-wise, it's incredible. High revving, everything about it is just fantastic. So you can join me in a minute and watch up some runs, which we'll go through. Which we'll go through on the dyno. Again, sorry, I'm pretty tired. But yeah, let's I'll chat about the spec of the car, and I'll hopefully show some video of it, of the bits I'm talking about. And then we'll show some runs on the thing. Let's get going. The owner of the car, he's quite lucky, really. He's sort of grown up and been friends with you know, Mike Longman from Longman Racing fame, and as I said earlier on, Brett Sims. Knows quite a lot of people, and a lot of them have put a lot of input and bits and pieces into this car. So it's just an absolutely amazing build. It really is. There's just every little bit is not just sort of, he's not gone down the road of just every little bit that you have on an R53. He's just bolted that on, you know, almost like this shopping list. He's literally gone through and just looked at what is the best way of doing it, rather than, and I think it's just a genuinely epic build. Like the attention to detail is immense, and that's what I like about it, really. Just attention to detail, every single thing that, you know, a lot of people would have just thrown like a fuel line in there, or you know, like an old fuel tank. But no, he's gone absolutely out of the way to just make it just absolutely epic. And from an engineering point of view, I absolutely love it. I think it's just absolutely epic build. Hopefully it'll be you know, pretty good on the track. I mean, the reason it's here today, or, you know, it's been here for a few weeks really. As I said earlier, we've had some dyno issues and everything else, but we fitted the MaxxECU. This has got a Pro in it. We've made like a loom to go between like the mill connector on the bulkhead, just DR25 and so the car was already wired to a very high standard already. I think it's I can't remember who did it. It'd be one of these on the side here. But it's a real high quality loom already. All we've done is make like a couple of foot to join it in. But now the MaxxECU's in there, we've got a load of extra protection in there, which is so we've got like the knock protection. It's going to look after itself. Lean protection. It's wideband closed loop. We've got oil pressure protection in there, oil temperature protection in there. It will like coolant temperature overboost. All of these things. It's just going to look at and protect itself consistently, which is kind of what we're after. Like the car, he can concentrate on driving a damn thing, because I'm imagining it's going to be a bit of a handful. And the ECU can look after all the safety strategies, all of those other things. Yeah. And the other good thing is with the ECU is we've got all 4 wheel speed sensors wired straight to the ECU, so we've got traction control, launch control, all of those things available at a touch of a button. So he's got launch control on a button on a steering wheel. He's got like a little dial on the side of the OBR panel in there so that you can adjust the boost level on the fly. Just it flicks through. We've got like a 4th dimension in our boost demand table, so you can just flick through every table. Pit limiters, all of those bits and pieces that you can just go through. So yeah, we're really happy with it. He's got the stack instrument cluster as well. You know, that's like a £3,000 worth of instrument cluster. I mean, it's epic, just epic piece of kit. So yeah, another car on a MaxxECU, I suppose. That's another good thing as far as I'm concerned. So yeah, we're doing you probably see, I'll probably have to flip the video around. I ain't still ain't very good at these, but we're doing 407 horsepower at the wheels in this car. We're actually starting to struggle a bit with traction, to be perfectly honest with you. So I think it probably do a bit more if we properly rinse that turbo a bit more. Engine seems to be loving it, so well done, Brett, exceptional. Yeah, so yeah, another successful MaxxECU conversion. Yeah, I've just watched this on launch.